So what are we having today, boys?
We're having deep fried banana. That's roast goat meat. We think it's goat meat.
And then a nice warm chapati. And we are at the DID bar. Here we have Yvette behind bars, where she almost ended up tonight. Luckily, it's in the guest house. But what did you do, Yvette? Explain to the people why you almost ended up behind bars tonight.
Because I was following my friend that was far ahead of me and I didn't want to get lost.
And
And I didn't stop at a zebra crossing because there were no zebras.
yeah, but you didn't look at the little pickaninnies trying to cross.
And they said to me,
Yeah.
do not go ahead. Pay your fine. And
Yeah.
it wasn't 200 rand.
Yeah.
I
So,
almost slept in.
the only advice I can give you is, if there's a traffic cop, prick, make stopping so he doesn't pull you over, but the guy in front of you.
Sorry, officer.
Yeah. Okay. Did you learn your lesson?
Yes.
You're gonna stop for the people.
Yes, dear.
Okay.